Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Collanote and loading the page you'll work on. Tap the scribble icon, then pick a pen, thickness, and color. Make quick sample strokes to confirm pressure response. Once done, make sure palm rejection is active so your hand won't mark the page. You're ready to write directly, highlight, or sketch. Try a short word and a quick line to set stroke smoothing. This immediate step gets you into the flow without extra setup. Once you've started scribbling, refine how strokes look by adjusting smoothing and stabilization. This reduces jitter and creates natural curves. Use layers to separate handwriting from diagrams, create a new layer, rename it, and lock the base content so you never erase original text. Then alternate pen, highlighter, and eraser as needed. Combine lasso select with move or resize to tidy shapes. If you make a mistake, use undo or redo. This middle phase is where clarity emerges. To finish, flatten or export your scribbles as PDF or image. Save a backup to avoid losing edits. Before closing, enable autosave and confirm sync completes so annotations persist across devices. If strokes lag or behave oddly, recalibrate your stylus and toggle palm rejection. Restart Collanote if latency continues. One quick tip: if the lasso won't select handwriting, switch to the precise select mode. This usually resolves selection errors and keeps your final file clean and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.